Welcome back. 3 decades after 1984, the violence of that year, the villains of the anti-Sikh riots are yet to be punished. Staying blindfolded to the pain of the victims of this carnage, a collective failure. As Rahul Gandhi's remarks ignite old sentiments, Headlines Today visits the worst affected pockets of those riots to find that the wounds haven't healed and the scars have only been cemented.
I'm standing at the C block in Tilak Vihar area of New Delhi. This area became infamous as the Widows Block in 1984. When the riots broke out, most of the families which managed to survive and came to this place had lost the male members, and only the women were left to fend for themselves along with little children.
Years later, the memories, the pain of 1984 is still fresh for these women. The scars of losing their husbands, their brothers, their sons, their neighbors, too permanent to be cured with time.
कोई इंसाफ नहीं मिला। ये जो 3-3 लाख 3.5 लाख रुपए दे दिए, यही इंसाफ है, बाकी हमारा तो सुना ही नहीं।
These pictures on this wall of Delhi's Gurudwara Seesganj are a stark, a painful reminder of what happened years ago. The only fault of these victims, that they were of a certain religion. Every picture triggers a memory, a story which ends in a tragedy.
दोषियों को सजा देनी चाहिए। एक हम लड़ते आपस में तो हमें पुलिस की मदद, और हमें पुलिस भी उस टाइम मदद नहीं की थी, उन्होंने भी नहीं मदद की थी हमारे साथ।
Every picture on the walls of this Gurudwara tells a story of how government went into coma when hundreds of citizens across the streets of Delhi were being brutally murdered. A story of how humanity died a million deaths across the nation.
60-year-old Parsi Kaur's family lived in the Sultanpuri area of Delhi. It was a big family, but all was lost to the 1984 mayhem. Entire family wiped out by a bunch of bloodthirsty rioters. 25 lives lost in just one family. Of those killed, 23 were men. No wonder this area is now known as the Widow Mohalla.
बाप मरा पहले, फिर भाई मरा, भाई को बाप को गोली लगी है, सच्चों ने गोली मारी टांग में, सच्चों ने गोली मारी, बाप मेरा गिर गया। जिसके बाद में मेरे भाई बाप को मारा, भाई छोटा था, मैंने उसको मारा। फिर हमारे आते गए, चुप जाओ, हम चुप गए। फिर आके मेरे बेटे को मारा, मेरे जमाई को मारा।
30 years, it's an era gone by. All hopes for justice were slowly fading. Till now. This hope has been reignited with the fresh focus on the riots and talks of bringing the guilty to book.